Demak, birinchi raund boshlanish arafasida va birinchi raund boshlandi. Demak, Azbek Temirov va Araujo jangi. Birinchi raund. Araujo nega xavfli deyapman? Chunki u professional boksda faoliyat yuritgan, MMA ga kirib kelishdan avval va professional boksda yaxshi natija qayd etgan. U yerda 8 ta jang o'tkazib, 7 ta g'alaba va 1 ta mag'lubiyatga ega chiqqan. Mana bu MMA ga o'tgandan so'ng esa 2023-yili Azbek Temirov ham Araujo ham 2023-yili debyut qilgan MMA da. Demak, Araujo 6 ta jang o'tkazib, barchasida g'alaba qozongan va hozir mana oldinga boryapti Azbek. Demak, shu 6 ta g'alabasini barchasini birinchi raundning o'zidayoq hal qilib qo'ygan. Mana nima uchun xavfli bu jangchi. Azbek Temirov esa u ham 5 ta jang o'tkazib, barchasida g'alaba qozongan va barchasini muddatdan avval hal qilgan. Faqat bir nechta janglar ikkinchi raundga o'tib ketib qolgan. Shu sababdan biroz farq qiladi statistikalar. Kombinatsiya zarbani yo'llab ko'rdi. Bosh va tana qismiga yo'llangan zarba edi u. Hozircha yaxshi. Mana bu yerda zarbalardan ehtiyot bo'lish kerak. Oxirgi jangida Azbek Temirov juda ham tezkor nokautga ega chiqqan edi. O'sha Octagon Liga promotionida bir zarba bilan raqibni 33 soniyada uxlatib qo'yganda, hozir Araujo tana qismiga zarbalar yo'llayapti. Albatta bu sinovdan o'tib olsa, hamyurtimiz UFC ga o'z ostonasida turibdi desak ham bo'ladi. Zarur Xadashev aytganidek, Amerikaga keldingmi, 50% sen UFC dasan. Birinchi muammo Amerikaga kelib olish. Bu muammodan o'tib oldi. Endi mana jangda ham g'alaba qozonsa, bu nur ustiga alo nur bo'lar. Low kick zarbasi Azizbekdan. Hozircha Azizbek aktiv ishlashga harakat qilyapti, lekin Araujo qo'shdi mana shu oxirgi soniyalarda. Ko'ramiz endi. Jang o'zi qancha vaqt davom etar ekan. Lekin odatda o'zi ko'p holatlarda ikkita nokautyor va janglarni muddatdan avval yakunlab tashlaydigan jangchilar to'qnash kelganda jang uzoqroq bo'ladi kutilganidan. Endi ikkala jangchi ham mag'lubiyatga uchramaganini ham hisobga olish kerak. Mana bu yerda tana qismiga xavfli hujum, bir nechta zarbalar o'tkazib yubordik. Azbek Temirovning burchagida Jasur Alijonov turibdi. Aynan Murodov Legion Team bosh murabbiyi. Overhand zarbasi o'tmadi. Chap qo'l zarbasini o'tkazib yubordi. Mana bu yerda taymingni yaxshi ushlayapti Araujo. Azbek birinchi bo'lib ishlayapti, lekin xatodan foydalanyapti Araujo. Jab. Hozircha og'ir zarbani jangchilar o'tkazib yuborishgani yo'q. Balki kurashga olib o'tgan yaxshiroqmi bu jangda? Baribir bokschi-da. Azbekning bazasi MMA, bunda demak boks ham bor, kurash ham bor, lekin konsentratsiya baribir boksga qaratilmagan. O'ng qo'l zarbasi o'tmadi. Jab zarbalari bilan raqibni masofada ushlab turishga harakat qilyapti Araujo. Mana bu yerda o'ng qo'l zarbasi Azizbekdan. Yana jab. Mana bu yerda jarohat olibdi Azizbek, burnidan qon oqyapti. Birinchi raund yakuniga yetish arafasida va birinchi raund biz uchun juda ham yoqimli bo'lgani yo'q. Ikkinchi raundni kutamiz do'stlar. Qiyin raund bo'ldi.
Yeah, very much so, Ron. I mean, a lot of danger in this one. Both guys respecting one another. You see right here, a lot of Tamirov lunging in with these power shots, and you're seeing the counter striking of Arujau. Covering, coming back. Look at that, 3 or 4 punches.
Takroriy lavhalarni bizga namoyish etishmoqda.
This is the jab that he had a lot of success with. When he started getting that jab going, able to get the nose bloody, score some more points for Arujau.
Going to work on 26-year-old Azabek Tamirov from Uzbekistan, training at Team Alpha Male. He's coming off a first round 31-second knockout, and on the other side,
Jangchilar keyingi raundga
well, he's coming off
tayyor.
one knockout that took just 50 seconds. Both of these men finishers with a combined 11 knockouts. Set for round number 2. Make sure you're following Legacy Fighting Alliance across the social media spectrum at LFA Fighting. Ron Kruk and Alan Joban with you.
Demak, ikkinchi raundga start berildi. Hozir
Tamirov with the red tape and
Azizbek yana
Arujau. Blue
bosim uyushtirishga harakat qilyapti. Lekin raqib masofada tutib turibdi baribir. Juda ham oqilona ishlatyapti zarbalarini u. Albatta endi raqibni maqtamaslik kerak. Bo'lmasa post tegib qolishi mumkin jangchimizga. O'zi umuman olganda Azizbek Temirov ham yomon harakat qilgani yo'q. Lekin jarohat chatoq bo'ldi. O'rkan zarbasini o'tkazib yuboryapti Araujo. Azizbek Temirov akasi Ramazon Temirov o'tgan haftada, ya'ni 2-mart kuni UFC'da g'alaba qozongan edi. Albatta bu ruhiy tomonlama. Mana bu yerda ajoyib zarba bilan tutib oldi Azizbek. Orqaga chekinyapti Araujo. O'zini yomon his qilyapti shekilli. Kurashga o'tib ketdi. Buni kutmagan edi Azizbek menimcha. Chunki bokschidan kurashni kim ham kutadi deysiz. Hozircha nazoratni ushlab turibdi. Mana bu yerda Azizbek endi parterga olib o'tmoqchi edi raqibni. Yiqilib qolmaslik kerak, maksimum oyoqda turib harakat qilish kerak.
This fight back up on its feet pretty quickly as we are just past the 3-minute mark, round number 2.
Opportunity to see where both men lie in the grappling department so far.
Hozircha qafas oldidagi jang davom etyapti. Tana qismiga ajoyib zarba Azizbekdan. Jeb zarbasini o'tkazib yuboryapti. Temirov jeb zarbalari tinmay kelyapti. Hozir yaxshi tempni tutib olgandi, o'sha raqib orqaga chekindi, kurashga o'tishga majbur bo'ldi. O'zini stoykada noqulay his qilgandan so'ng, lekin nafas rostlab oldi baribir. Low kick zarbasi. Jeb zarbani o'tkazib yuboryapmiz. Yana jeblar juda ham aniq chiqyapti, keragidan ortiq. Eng qizig'i Azizbek Temirov ham, Ramazon Temirov ham mana bu yerda xato ham qilish mumkin edi, raqibni tutib olish ham mumkin edi. Riskka bordi Azizbek. Aytmoqchi bo'lganim eng qizig'i ikkala aka-uka ham eng mutlaq yengil vaznda jang qilishadi. Agar UFC'ga Azizbek o'tadigan bo'lsa, bilmadim, endi nasib qilsa top darajaga borishadi. Hozir ehtiyot bo'lish kerak. Endi kamarni bir nima qilib bo'lishib olishar.
Arujau now backing him up. Nice jab. One minute to go. Second round.
Ramazon Temirov, Jasur Alijonov to'xtamay ko'rsatmalar berib turishibdi.
It's like both men taking a slight breather right here.
So'nggi 1 daqiqa o'tib bormoqda. Hozircha
Yeah.
Azizbek yomon ko'rinmadi bu raundda.
He still has Arujau on that other side of the
Raqib
black line right
ikkinchi raqamli bo'lib ishlashga menimcha rozi bo'ldi. Birinchi raunddan boshlab o'zi faqat qarshi hujumdan harakat qilyapti. Mana e'tibor bering. Azizbek zarba beryapti, keyin raqib hujumga o'tyapti.
Second round, our final LFA 203 preliminary bout. Third in the bantamweight division.
Hayki zarbasi o'tmadi.
Like that. Tamirov
Yana
throwing
bir
that kick.
oyoq zarbasi.
He's keeping Daniel Araujo.
Mana bu yerda zarba bilan tutib olgan ko'rinadi Araujo. Ikkinchi raund o'tib bormoqda, ehtiyot bo'lish kerak.
Arujau might have landed something when he was
Hayki zarbasi. So'nggi soniyalar va ikkinchi raund yakuniga yetdi.
The third and
Qiyin
final
kechmoqda biz uchun jang.
high level stand up action.
Take a look at one of these big
Oson
hooks
bo'lmayapti.
that lands right here. You see, I mean, it was just such a beautiful timed hook right there by Tamirov throwing those power shots. That time, Arujau had his hands up, and look at the counter ability right there. I love it. He keeps his hands high on that one. Continues the flow of striking right here. You see the knee goes up. Now watch. Combination.
Takroriy lavhani ko'ryapsiz. Azizbekni muvozanatdan chiqarib yuboribdi ushbu zarba.
Great competitive rounds in the 1 and 2 by both men so far.
Daniel Araujo and Azizbek Tamirov. Tamirov training at a Team Alpha Male, originally from Uzbekistan. And Team Alpha Male just continues to get fighters from all over
Demak,
the world.
davom
to
etamiz.
Sacramento with head
Uchinchi
coach
raund bu
James
degani
in the house.
so'nggi raund.
Yeah, when you think about explosive,
Oldinda yana 5 daqiqa jang bor.
got a load of them, huh?
Mana shu 5 daqiqani o'ziniki qilish kerak Azizbek.
Mark Smith gets us going.
Ikkala jangchi ham karyerasi davomida birinchi marta 3-chi raundga qadam qo'yishyapti.
Getting you ready
Bundan
for
avval
the
hech qachon
LFA
3-chi raundda jang qilishmagan.
coming up on
Endi albatta professional MMA da.
Oh, nice job with the switch kick right there. Fainting early, finding the opening.
Oldinga boryapti. Yana Azizbek oyoq zarbalarini qo'shdi. Endi
Sorry, Ron. I was going to say he's diversifying his attack a little bit more. We're seeing some kicks and a little bit more feints so far in this third round.
Yeah, it was pretty much a boxing match in that first round. We got
ikkitalik zarba bilan ajoyib tarzda tutib olyapti, lekin raqib o'zida o'zini yo'qotib qo'ygani yo'q. Raqibning yoshi 23 da.
Both guys
Azizbekdan 3 yoshga kichik. Ikkitalik zarba bilan endi Azizbekni tutib oldi.
accurate because of that jab and because of the counter strikes that we've seen. But Tamirov has landed some damaging shots and we saw him.
Okean ortida Azizbek Temirov bugun debyut jangini o'tkazyapti. Eslatib o'taman. Bundan avval Octagon ligada jang qilgan, MPL da, Bears FC da, lekin Okean ortida
has been bleeding throughout this fight.
birinchi bor jang qilishi LFA ligasida.
Fine knockouts for these two bantamweights. Which is
Low kick
crazy
zarbasi
to say. I mean,
Raujodan mana bu yerda aktiv yana hujum.
Defeated, finished every single one of their opponents, and we get these guys on the early prelims right here in the third round. Been a fantastic fight, very evenly. matched up.
Hozircha Azizbek
Good head movement right there by Tamirov getting out of the
meni
counter
fikrimcha
strike.
3-chi raundni kichik hisobda o'ziniki qilyapti. Zarbalarni aktivroq va aniqroq beryapti 3-chi raundda.
6 fights coming up on the main card. Highlighted by the light heavyweight championship, Uran Sotobayev and Leon.
Raqibni ta'qib qilishda davom etadi. Temirov, Raujo esa faqatgina ortga chekinmoqda. Albatta mana bu oktagonni katta qismini egallab harakat qilib bosim qilish ham qandaydir miqdorda ball olib keladi.
Just a bit out of range right now for Tamiro.
Muhimi mana shu hujumlarga borayotganda ko'p zarba o'tkazib yubormaslik.
Ruzhau's punch is still finding the target.
Chap qo'l zarbasi. Endi esa ajoyib tarzda Azizbek zarbani yo'lladi chap qo'lda.
See the upper body movement by Tamirov. I like it. He needs to keep that going and find the counter.
Oldingi bir nechta zarbalar bilan o'tsa, raqib xavfli ko'rinyapti. Raqib ham darhol javob qaytaryapti. Bittalik zarbalar bilan cheklanish menimcha hozir yaxshi ishlayapti. Tana qismiga ajoyib zarba.
Tamirov can end this fight in an instant. Ruzhau's got to be
Overhand zarbasi endi Azizbekdan. Mana bunday
To say he was very
tana qismiga ham zarbani yo'lladi.
throws another one.
Raqib ancha dami chiqib qoldi. Zarbalari kam, charchab qoldi menimcha.
Tamirov is the one slightly pressing the action more, but I think he might have to go, Ron. I mean, this is a
think
very
so, too.
competitive fight, but it feels like Arujau slightly ahead.
Ruzhau.
1,5 daqiqa vaqt bor jang yakuniga.
Yeah.
Menimcha
But I'm with you. I think
hozircha yomon ketmayapmiz 3-raundda. To'g'risi, birinchi va ikkinchi raundga bir nima deya olmayman. Birinchi raund
there's a chance with the
hozir mana shu takedown amalga oshsa ajoyib ish bo'lgan bo'lardi.
Yeah. Even
Tamirov
if,
sprawl.
Shunchaki mana shu takedown amalga oshib 1 daqiqa nazoratni qilib bersa,
in case we don't know how
Tamirov.
the first two rounds are scored, you know, I mean,
zo'r ish bo'lgan bo'lardi, lekin qiyin.
need a finish here, but we
Qiyin.
don't know that for certain, so
Raqib tutib oldi.
takedown might have been big, but
O'tmadi takedown.
taken off by Arujau.
Absolutely. That was
Raqib bermadi mana bu
jab from
jangni parterga ko'chirishga. Mana bu yerda
knee from Tamirov.
og'ir zarba bilan kutib oldi.
Bloodied in the mouth.
Araujo
I don't know if that was from that knee or prior punches, but both men
low
wearing it
kick,
a little bit.
high kick.
30
Oxirgi daqiqalarni berib qo'ymaslik kerak. Mana shu 30 soniyani
in four.
iloji boricha hakamlarda yaxshiroq taassurot qoldirish kerak. Lekin to'g'risi odamni biroz natija xavotirga solyapti. Agar g'alaba qozonsak ajoyib bo'lardi.
Just wasn't able to get in range.
Ruzhau with the
So'nggi 10 soniya tana qismiga zarba, bosh qismiga oldinga boryapti. Araujo aylanma zarbalar tinmayapti. Endi Azizbekdan ham. Va jang yakuniga yetdi do'stlar.
defeated. But someone's has got to go.
Ko'ramiz endi qanday hisob bizga
Here in the LFA,
e'lon qilishar ekan.
pound division on display.
Birinchi raund.
The LFA 203 prelims.
Mana shu 3-raundni ham oxirsini biroz berib qo'ydik-da.
Ozbek Tamirov,
Shunisi
the
yomon
fighter
bo'ldi.
out of Uzbekistan. And we will check out great highlights here in the third.
I mean, this was a fantastic fight, very technical on the feet. You see the
Ko'ramiz takroriy lavhalarni. Overhand zarbasi.
But it was also a lot of Arujau with the counter strikes. You see this knee right here, kind of slightly
Mana bu yerda
right here. Always looking to counter
flying knee
Arujau.
zarbasini berayotganda raqib tutib olgan ekan.
Both men started opening up in the kicks later on in the fight, but you see at the end of this fight, both guys standing in the pocket.
Q1 hisobida Temirovga g'alabani berishsa. Mana bu esa Team Alpha klubining
California kid. And his fighter
egasi desak ham bo'ladi.
Tamirov
Frankie.
hoping to improve
Ah,
to
yo'q.
6-0.
Uriah Faber. Aynan u Azizbek Temirov va Ramazon Temirovga AQShda o'z mashg'ulot zalidan joy bergan, ya'ni hamyurtlarimiz uning mashg'ulot zalida shug'ullanib kelishadi. Shu sababdan ham balki hamyurtlarimizni qo'llab-quvvatlash uchun UFC yulduzi, UFC sobiq yulduzi hozir
Shows here.
arenadan o'tirib jangni tomosha qilayotgandir.
And
Vegas, baby.
we're at the Palms. I mean, the UFC used to come here years ago. I mean, this is a great venue to
That's
have
a
the
great
fights
point.
at.
It's really an
got that
iconic
energy.
theater. Yeah. And great crowd as always. We're glad that you could be a part of the action. All right, let's now get
Demak,
the official
eshitamiz do'stlar,
decision.
hayajonli daqiqalar.
We go inside
Kimdir
here
mag'lubiyat bilan
with Kendall.
oktagonni tark etadi.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds, we go to the judges' scorecards. All 3 judges score this bout
Oh, 30-27. Bu yomon. Afsus do'stlar. 3 raundni hammasi braziliyalik jangchiga o'tib ketyapti. Hamyurtimiz birinchi mag'lubiyatni qabul qilib oldi.